Here we are downtown Carmel. We've got a really cool new listing, a condo that is literally walking distance from downtown. I'm really excited to show you this one. Come on, let's go. Here we are inside of our condo property, downtown Carmel, as you saw from the introduction part. The address is 325 Alden Way. I'm really excited for you to see a lot of this condo that you're just not going to get from other properties in the area. Check this out. Here we are finishing our tour in the kitchen area. As you've seen throughout the tour, so many upgrades. You know, just here in the kitchen alone, really nice granite countertops, modernized kitchen appliances, so much going on. I think the most beneficial thing a buyer's gonna love about this property is it's turnkey ready. You're right in the heart of downtown Carmel, walking distance to everything that you'd ever want in the #1 rated city in America. If you have any questions about this property, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name is Landon. I'm your local listing specialist. My contact phone number is 260-573-6316. I hope you make it a great day.